So hey, welcome to another small episode. Today I'm working on a Honda Civic. I'm changing the front lower ball joints and I'm also doing a little bit of rust protection on the underbody. It's a good time that we decided to do this job, because if you look closely here, when I was disassembling the knuckle, I didn't start to pound on it or anything. You can see there are no marks of me hitting this, and that there is rust actually in here. The ball joint is not sitting properly in here. It has not been pushed all the way in. There are no markings of any way to prevent this from falling out. And also, this is bad. It's a very good time to be doing this, because we've been inches from doom. It's time to change it out. This ball joint also doesn't have any provisions for a lock, any way to lock this. So this is not a mistake of a technician before me. This is just a very shitty ball joint, and it's old, so yeah, it can go. And since the car is in pretty good condition, it's getting a pretty good ball joint. We will not have the same issue we have in here, because this guy, it has a little spring that you hammer in. I always like to start the installation with a bit of hammering, because it helps it, find its place before I put it in the press. I have pressed it in, so I'm just gonna slide this guy over, and it never really wants to settle in completely. So what I do is just, hammer it in a little bit. This very So this has been a little episode for you. See you next time.